Hello, kindergarten families. Welcome to Johnson. We're excited that you're here. I am Mrs. Hughes. Here with me is Mrs. Stedman. We will be your guides through the slides today. We are excited to start this school year with you and to get to know your child and you and learn alongside and support each other. Even though it will look and feel different, we are keeping positive growth mindsets. So let's get started. Our first slide today is Class Dojo. We cannot stress enough the importance of open, positive, and continuous communication with your child's teacher. This relationship throughout the year will be vital for your child's school success. Here at Johnson, our preferred form of communication is Class Dojo. We use it school-wide, and you may have already received an invitation on your cell phone or through your email from your teacher. If not, please see your child's teacher for more information. Here on this slide, you will find our emails, our other contact information if you need to use it. We have Miss Irvin, we have Miss Stedman, Mrs. Hughes, Miss Dockery, and Mrs. Robinson.
Your child will receive a take-home folder each day. We use this to send home homework, permission slips, and your child's snack calendar. Please, please, please check your child's folder every single day and return it the next school day. Please keep an extra set of season-appropriate clothing in a large Ziploc bag with your child's name on it. This not only covers accidents, but it's cafeteria spills, if they spill milk down their clothes, or if they have an accident on the playground and happen to get mud all over their pants. If possible, please send a spare mask to keep here at school. Just how accidents can occur and require a change of clothing, this also is possible with masks. So if you're able, please send an extra one with your child. Your child will have a related arts class each day. Please remember that on the day that your child goes to gym, that he or she will need to wear appropriate clothing and also appropriate shoes such as tennis shoes. Please don't send your child in sandals or flip-flops on gym day.
Daily snacks. You will receive a snack calendar each month from your child's teacher. Your child will be assigned a day of the month to bring snacks for the entire class. Please choose snacks that are healthy. Also, please remember snacks must be prepackaged and individually wrapped. We cannot serve sweets for our daily snacks, so no cupcakes or cookies are allowed. Also, please be aware and mindful of any classroom allergies when you send snacks. Daily snacks continued. Drinks must be individually packaged, just like the snacks. Please do not send large gallons to be poured into cups. Also, it's important to remember water fountains will be closed during this time. However, your child does have the option to refill their bottle if they bring one, and we strongly encourage that you send a water bottle with your child each and every day. And also, it's important to remember only water in these bottles. We do ask that you only fill them with water, no juice, no flavored drinks, or anything like that. If you are unable to participate in providing snacks, please let your child's teacher know so they can be prepared. On this slide, you see a picture of our snack cart in the lobby. This snack cart is directly across the lobby from the front office. So on this cart, you're going to see your child's teacher's name. Please, if you bring snacks, just sit them there on the cart and we will send a child out to get them. Thank you.
Birthdays. So birthdays are recognized in each class, but they are not celebrated with sugary treats like cookies or cupcakes. Please know that if you do bring cookies or cupcakes for your child's class, unfortunately, they will be turned away. Also, if you plan to send invitations for your child's birthday celebration, make sure that you include the entire class.
Cafeteria meals. Breakfast cost is $1.50. And breakfast begins at 7:30, and so that's the earliest you can drop your child off to eat breakfast. Lunch costs $2.65. Each child will be receiving a folder their first day of class, and it'll be coming home with lots of different forms to fill out. There is a form in there for free and reduced lunch. Please complete this form and return it to school. Students will need to have money in their account if they choose to add extra side items to their tray. You can also put money in their account to cover the cost of breakfast and lunch each day. Students are permitted to pack their lunch, and there are no commercial foods allowed. We also would like you all to know that at least a portion of students will be eating in their classrooms to provide safe spacing during this time.
During this time, visitors are not permitted to volunteer in the classroom or eat lunch with their child. We will notify you when conditions change.
Money. If you send money to school with your child, please remember to place it in a baggie or an envelope, label it with your child's name, and also put on there what the money is for. Please be sure to put the sealed and labeled money inside your child's take-home folder to ensure it does not get lost.
Special medical needs. Please notify your child's teacher as soon as possible if your child has any special medical needs, such as EpiPens, inhalers, or other medications. Make sure to contact the school nurse for any medications that may need to be stored or allergies at the school where your child's teacher needs to be aware of.
Keeping your child healthy. Your child will have their temperature checked before entering the building each day. If their temperature is 100 degrees or above without fever-reducing medicines such as Tylenol, your child will be sent home. Per KCS guidelines, we encourage the 3 W's. That stands for wear a mask, wait to keep a safe distance from others, and wash your hands often.
The school day for 1st through 5th graders is from 8:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. For kindergarten, the school day will be from 8:30 to 3:15. Students planning to eat breakfast will need to arrive no earlier than 7:30. The tardy bell rings at 8:30. Any child arriving after 8:30 will have to stop at the front office and receive a tardy slip before coming to their class. Please make sure to allow extra time for your child to be temperature checked and report to class before the bell rings at 8:30.
Dismissal. Beginning the second week of school, kindergarten classes will be dismissed at 3:15 through the front doors of the school, a door from one of the classrooms, or the end of the first grade kindergarten hallway that faces East Sevier. There are different locations for each classroom. Mrs. Irvin's will be from her classroom door. Mrs. Dockery's class will dismiss from the end of the hallway, and Mrs. Stedman and Mrs. Hughes will dismiss from the front lobby doors. You will receive more information through Dojo on this later. More on dismissal. If you are running late to pick up your child, he or she will wait in their classroom until you arrive. Please check your child out through the front office. Please be sure that whoever is picking up your child is on the official pickup list and is prepared to show their ID. This is important. Communication of dismissal changes in advance for your child are so very important. Please be diligent with this. Have your ID ready to show at dismissal for the first few weeks until we are used to you. If it's a new face, then we need to see an ID. If there is a substitute, everyone needs to have an ID ready. Thank you in advance for being patient with dismissal, as it does take time when IDs are being shown.
Thank you in advance for your patience and support in helping us keep your child safe and as we navigate through these difficult times. We are so excited to welcome your family to our Johnson family.